Now we are going to study vocabulary. Vocabulary and definition of the short stories. The story, The Lion, the Fox, and the Donkey. Okay, so we have 6 vocabularies for you today with definition. Okay. 1. Deceitful. Adjective mean intentionally misleading or dishonest. 2. Vanity. It is noun, mean excessive pride in one's appearance or achievements. 3. Cunning. Adjective means skillful in achieving goals through trickery or cleverness. 4. Naivete. Noun, it means that lack of experience or judgment or innocence. 5. Manipulate. It's verb to control or influence someone cleverly or unfairly. 6. Flattery, noun. It means insincere praise used to gain favor or advantage. Okay, so please try to remember all these words and use